Hear the heartbeat? Boom, ba-boom, 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 ba-boom.
There you go. Got eyes.
Look at that. Hey, sweetie. Say hi.
She's probably tired.
Mommy did so good.
I love the
And grandmommy.
She was doing that when she was in there. When they did the ultrasound. The tongue, yeah.
What? She was sticking her tongue out?
Yeah. Yeah. She was doing it coming out.
She's raspberrying you?
She's probably like, oh no,
Okay.
something. Oh.
I'm gonna go do some paperwork, guys.
Okay.
Well, I'm probably gonna head back because I've got to drive Maury over to her friend's house.
Okay.
Leah.
Get that one, get it, get it, get it, get it. Yay!
Call 1-800-681-3738 for your